What is it that we complain about? It's too cold, and then when it's too hot, like when it gets hot, then it's just too hot. It's just too hot. Friend, let's do some unboxing. Got loads of boxes, bags. Let's get through. So some of these bits I have purchased myself, and some of these bits I have received. It's just really hot. I love the sunshine, but I'm not trying to give myself a migraine. Okay, first box we have is Elemis. This one is one of the oh, it's very nicely wrapped in. This is not going to be a pretty unboxing, by the way. This is just grab. First out, we have the Pro Collagen Marine Hydrating Day Cream. Next, the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Love this. I've tried this before. Really love this. It gives like a gorgeous little subtle glow. Very nice. Don't need a lot. Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Always do with some eye masks. The Superfood Midnight Facial. I haven't tried it yet, so thank you so much for sending this. All over this tonight. All over it. I'm all for anything that you can use while you're asleep, and it's doing wonders. Thank you, Element. And in staying in line with Elemis right now, I recently went to a really gorgeous event. Such a pleasure to meet Keely. She knows everything there is to know about Elemis. Keely's your girl. Sometimes you hear about people that you've seen on TV and then you meet them and they're not very nice, and this was not that situation. She was such a sweetheart. At the event, I picked up Nourishing Mega Rich Cleansing Oil. I have actually tried this before, so I know what to expect. It gets rid of all your makeup and your double cleansing. The next thing, I was so excited to get my hands on this, Pro Collagen Black Cherry Cleansing Balm. Oh my god, so excited to try it. Honestly, the smell, I can even smell it through the box. That's how gorgeous and intense of an aroma this is, so cannot wait to try this out. Gorgeous. Overheating. Okay, let's keep going. We can do this. Next, goodies sent from Community X Scene. Thank you so much. Goodies from The Ordinary. Very kindly sent over a niacinamide with zinc. I have just run out of, so thank you very much. Good looking out. A new multi-active delivery essence. I love an essence because I need all the moisture I can get in my skin. An essence just helps to enhance everything after that step. Serums and your actives, they all work better after an essence. So new essence added to the collection. Right, next one. I'm not actually sure what this one is. I told you this was up pretty. I'm just... Okay, this one is Space and K. I think I know what this is. This is one I purchased. Stay hydrated. They wrap these things so beautifully, but I'm just like, let me out of it. Oh, okay, that's why they wrap them really well. An idiot like me will drop them on the floor. Please hold. Okay, there's two products from Amika. Hydro Rush Moisturising Leave-In Conditioner. I love a lightweight leave-in conditioner. Even if I'm keeping it curly or if I'm adding heat, I like to have a nice lightweight leave-in conditioner because my hair is very fine. I have a lot of them, but they are very fine, and then my greys are even finer because there's just no pigment to them. So yeah, I like to have a very nice lightweight leave-in conditioner, and I've heard good things and I've seen good things. Next product is a Super Fruit Star. So I believe this is their lightweight, almost like a serum, but it says oil, but I think it's more like a serum. I'll let you know when I've tried it, but excited to try this as well. It's got a lot of benefits, reducing damage and breakage and protecting from heat. Always love that. That's always a plus for me. Excited to try this, and I've heard it smells really good as well, so love that. Right, I'm nearly overheating on the last one, so we made it. Okay, so full disclosure, this last one I have opened already and I absolutely love it. This is also something I've purchased from Space and K. It is the Fleur Heavy Cream Hair and Body Fragrance. It is so good. Oh my gosh, I just love it. If you want to smell like marshmallowy goodness, if you feel like you want to be a dessert, this is your girl. Oh my god, just walk past and be like, what is that snack? This is what I wear. What is this? That's what we got today. I didn't overheat.